It is often said that if there is a third world war, it could be due to water. And agriculture consumes close to 90% of the water of our country. To ensure that the water is used effectively, new technologies like micro-irrigation technology are getting popular world over. And we at EPC are driving this growth in India. Today, EPC offers a wide range of water management technologies like drips, sprinklers, and our sprinklers are known for the unique technology which we have developed, which gives superior performance to farmers, helps them to manage their water requirement very effectively. We at EPC believe that we can make an impact in the farmer's output by teaching the farmer the right agronomy practices, by designing the right drip or sprinkler solution which is very crop specific, which helps the farmer to manage more with less, more output with less water. We demonstrate to the farmers the benefits of micro irrigation, the benefits of using high quality agri inputs, the benefits of using greenhouse, with the whole view that the farmer experiences the benefit of this technology. Through this, we have been able to penetrate in new markets, in new crops. As a result, drive farm prosperity, make a difference to the lives of farmers, and really helping them to rise. Through our service initiatives, we are in touch with customers through an agri helpline, where any customer can call us up and ask for information on farming related issues, on micro irrigation usage, or give some suggestion for improvement. This actually is helping us to include all the farmers in our mission of creating farm tech prosperity. Today, we are one of the leading players in the micro irrigation space, and with our strategy of offering end-to-end solutions through Samriddhi centers and through the agri-business, we believe it's a matter of time that we will be the leading player in the MI space in India.